Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in your Instagram story without displaying their username. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Ensure you're logged into your account. On the main page, tap on the story icon to upload a new story. Choose the photo or video you want to share, or create a new one right there. To share your story, tap the arrow button at the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap Share. After your story is uploaded, tap on your profile picture to view it. Then, tap the More button at the bottom right. A menu will pop up, select Add Mentions from there. Choose the people you want to mention and tap Add. And there you have it. You've successfully mentioned someone in your Instagram story without showing their username. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching.